I'm here today to show how I make my anointing oils. I put a few drops of the frankincense myrrh in, that was added, frankincense myrrh, and then I put real cinnamon leaf essential oil, and that's on the bottom, see? And then, because you don't want too much. If you are going to apply this in the traditional way, you do not want to, if you're going to pour this over your head or anoint yourself or pour, you wouldn't want too much of those oils. So here is me adding the virgin olive oil to the anointing oil, and we'll leave this here at part 1 of our making anointing oil.